Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a scrollable full page screenshot with Huawei P60 Pro. And to do this we'll need to open our settings and then scroll all the way down to access accessibility settings, then go for shortcuts and gestures, select take screenshot, and here enable it. Now there's a few different ways we can do it, and the first one is double knuckle on your phone, then slide it down to make a scroll shot. And next feature is a partial screenshot, and it doesn't work for a full page screenshot. And the last one is a scroll shot itself. Now let's try it out in a specific environment. So we're gonna go for our settings. Here, make sure that you're on top of the page and use one of the functions I showed you. So if we use our knuckle and draw S, it should make the full page screenshot instantly. Here it is, we can save it. Next option is to double knuckle on our phone and then slide the pop-up down like this. It also makes our phone scroll down. And the last option for it is to click on the power key and volume down key at the same time, and then again scroll down the pop-up. It also works the same way. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.